So I'm going to recap the trades that I made today. I was watching VTVT here. It's a low float stock that had really heavy volume and it was a huge gainer today. I noticed that it popped up over here on the top NASDAQ gainers. It hit my default scanner, pulled it up, and I saw that we had some pretty good price action here. This is on the 1 minute chart. I didn't see it probably until somewhere around this point. We had a pretty good bull flag opportunity here and a longer term bull flag opportunity there. The first trade I took was a losing trade, and I chased it. It consolidated right about here, which is where I should have entered and put my stop loss. Should have put my stop loss just below. Try to get this in a better view. Okay, there we go. So I should have put my stop loss like below here. This would be a good point because we have the VWAP here, and then we have basically 3 candles where it made this low. So this is, I should have entered here and put my stop loss just below here. But when I saw the price going up on this candle, I didn't see much volume, so I didn't do anything. And then I saw it going up on this candle with huge volume, and I thought, okay, I'm just going to go. And that's chasing because there's no good place for me to put a stop loss in that scenario. Of course, people that got long on this trade took profits at this point here, seeing that we have the highs over here, and then that meets up with the highs over here, a perfect profit target. So then the price went down, and I sold right here because I didn't want to take my loss any lower. And then I'm continuing to follow this stock along with others, and it went off my radar. I got distracted by some other things that were other stocks I was watching, and I noticed that it was continuing to go up here, and actually it was holding really good support. After here, it was holding really good support on this 9-period exponential moving average on the 1 minute time frame. So when I saw that, I was looking for an opportunity to catch a bounce off the 1 minute 9-period SMA exponential moving average, the EMA, sorry. And I got that opportunity here. I put my stop loss here. It was a mental stop loss, so I don't like to show my orders to the computers that are trading. Profit target was here, and when I saw the price go up here, try to test about this level several times, and I was seeing some weakness and then seeing sellers coming in on level 2, so I decided to exit the trade here. And they finally broke through that resistance level and it continued on up. So unfortunately I didn't capitalize as well on this trade as I could have, but I did make about 10 cents profit on a $2 stock, which was about 4%, which I barely made more than what I lost on the first trade. So at that point I was about at break even. Then I only took 3 trades for today. Currently that's what my rule is, to take 3 trades, so I did follow the rules. My third trade was on MU here on I think I was watching the 3 minute chart mostly on this one. So I mean, I watch multiple time frames when I'm trading to get a better overall picture of what's going on. No, I don't think it was that. Yeah, actually, I was looking at the 1 minute chart. So this is a smooth trend. I like to go long or short on smooth trends that are moving either up or down, finding support on a certain moving average. And MU is holding the 9-period exponential moving averages beautifully on the 1 minute chart for quite a while. And I noticed that it went from red to green, so that's another good trading opportunity there. And it is holding this 9-period exponential moving average. So when it went red to green, I got interested. I did notice, like from down here, that it's been holding this 9-period exponential moving average very well. And then it finally went red to green, and I saw it as an opportunity to go long. So I went long here when it came down to the 9 EMA, and it continued to hold this 9 EMA. And I did sell here, and it continued to go on up, but the reason I sold here was because there was a level of resistance, and it was testing there, and I had already had a pretty decent profit, and I had some other things to do, so I went ahead and sold, and it continued on up. I left money on the table, but that's better than it bouncing off that resistance and going back down. So that is all the trades that I took for today, and I finished the day positive, so that's good. I did reduce my size because previously, the last several trading days, I'd been trading with too big a size, and I've diminished my account pretty significantly. So my plan moving forward is to trade with much smaller size with a daily maximum loss limit of $100, a maximum loss per trade of $50, and a maximum daily limit of 3 trades per day. And I have set a rule for myself that if I break any of these rules, I must go 1 week without trading with real money and putting myself back on the demo. So, and then my final rule is that I can only take the very best trading setups, and my 2 trading setups I'm trading are bull flag setups, as I was looking at on VTVT earlier, and smooth trend moving average setups where you don't have a lot of fluctuation in price action like we have here. It's just a smooth line, pretty much just straight up, and it's holding a specific moving average. That's when I'm looking to take that kind of a trade. So that's the recap for today, and it is April 18th on a Wednesday.